Incremental ratings. So if you're a SuperMemo user, it's likely you will want to import articles from SuperMemopedia, SuperMemo Help, and so on. But now this is bugged. Not because SuperMemo has changed, but their websites, SuperMemo websites, have changed. They added a lot more strict checks, and now they have Cloudflare because they got a lot of attacks and so on. So they did because they needed to. As a consequence, when you import, you may have this, right? Only the titles. Let me go meta, and let me import this very same article. Okay. In my case, it's a duplicate. I already had this one. And do you see? Only the title. So long story short, when you use SuperMemo from the browser, SuperMemo 20 kind of cheats because it doesn't get the information from the actual browser. It checks the URL. Oh, this is help.supermemo.org, wiki, supermemo, and then it feeds this with an API, if it's Wikipedia as well, and so on. Not the browser itself. So, it doesn't work. So, as long as SuperMemo and any other website who has a very strict solution for Cloudflare, there's nothing else you can do. Then, what are the workarounds? Do you see? I can't even go back in history. Wow, it's crazy. The workaround is that if you use SuperMemo 20, you have an import option that is the selection. So I'm going to select almost everything. And this way, I force SuperMemo to actually use the content of the browser, my browser. So I have the selection. I go to SuperMemo. Once again, Shift F8. The same one you see gets help and SMP for SuperMemopedia. The text that are modes that they parse the HTML for convenience. Now let's see. It's the same thing. It didn't work out. Let's try again. It doesn't work. I don't know why it's inconsistent. In SuperMemo 19 was also inconsistent with the selection. At least with Windows 10, there's nothing better I can do. In case that doesn't work, like is my case, there's another workaround. The last resort would be copy-pasting, like this. And then you may want to use the filter, F6, and remove the styles and whatever. But yeah, it's still not the same thing. You don't have the references, stuff like this, right? It's lost. It's a lost experience. That's what you will do in SuperMemo 18 or older, because you can no longer use the web browser to begin with. The other solution, workaround, is to use the import link feature. Do you see now it says link? Import this. So now you have only the link, which, hey, that's super dummy, right? I wanted the text, not the link to the article. But I have for free the references. So now I can either open this, and if it's quick, I will just do an extract on external page. Could be the case that doesn't work, doesn't load. 1 second. Let me apply the template with the component, WebView component. Here you go. Do you see it's verifying the Cloudflare? That's the issue. Awesome. Then in case I only wanted the 3 facts, I will just do the close Alt X. And here you go, the 3 facts. Oh, I missed the T. And that's about it, right? I only wanted this part. Remember that now we cannot see the references because it's not an HTML component. It's a what? A WebView component. The references are still there. View, reference, and edit. Oh, they're empty. Oopsie doopsie, something happened. This is different from other SuperMemos because now it's memorizing what they did. Oh, do you see now appears the text of extracting? It's still buggy, so if it's not that the same, SuperMemo won't get the color, or if you have formulae, it will only do one line instead of the two. Something that is half-baked solution. Then, do we have references? No, it says none. Oh my god. Then, what I'm going to do is import it again. This one, not as help, but as link. Let's import it once again. Okay. Then do you see there are the references? Okay. It will be an article with a new template. Hey, I still have the references. Is that true? Yes. And what is this? Let me verify what I'm using. It's web view. Awesome. So it turns out that if I do it in this order, I will keep the references. And then, instead of clicking and do the extract, what I suggest is you just open that and copy the text, and copy the text here even in a new line. Awesome. And that's about it. Why? Because you already have the references. That's a lot better than if you use a clipboard and then manually you want to add the references. If you do it the other way around, it's a lot more convenient. It doesn't look exactly the same because when I use copy pasting, I have the entire HTML. When you use the import, remember, in SuperMemo 20 and 19 as well, remember that when I use the help or SMP or HTML, it will look different than if I use copy pasting from the clipboard. Because this is built in, SuperMemo has code that scraps the HTML for their own websites. That's why it looks different. And no worries, because at the end of the day, you can use with F6 the filter. No, you cannot use the filter. Why? Because it's not an HTML component. It's a web view component. But I think it's not a loss because it looks the same as the website. So for me, it's a pro. So then, just to make my point, I will do the extract, pretending that's what I wanted. And here you go, I have the extracts. You will notice that the web view is more limited than the HTML component with HTML stuff. Yeah, you have formulae, you have PDF, so it's, hey, I'm not going to use the HTML components anymore. Yes, you will, at least for now. Because the colors, you will realize that the color is not there. There are some still cons. But that's outside of the scope of this video. So now you know how you can bypass importing SuperMemo pages. So now you know how you can import SuperMemo pages, websites, to SuperMemo from now onwards. Not because SuperMemo has changed, the SuperMemo websites have changed because of the massive attacks they had. It's very convenient, yes it is. At least with my course, I guarantee you will import a lot fewer pages. And luckily for me, I have imported almost all of them already, and I'm only going to import what's new. So it's anecdotal, I don't mind if I have to do this workaround. That's all for now. And that's all for now. See you incrementally.